Whoa! Oh, what's back here? Huh? I see a squirrel. Squirrel. Oh, it's gone. Huh? Oh yeah, the egg's nest. Mommy, not picking you all the way up. It's too high. You can't reach it. You're so fast. Nice running. Oh. Try again. Okay. Nice job. I can send this to Papa. Say hi, Daddy. Love you. See you when you get home. Where are you going? Oh, poop. You gotta watch out. Okay, Ziki, only wake up. Inside, I gotta go. I gotta walk this way. Look out, make sure you don't step on any poop. Come on. Where are you going? All right, come on, go.